Langa o Moanarua of Ga'uri o Whititira Mai Moana Trust.
Kia ora, my name is Madeline.
Talafalava, my name is Danae Malo. Kia ora, my name is Mana.
Hi, my name is Lagi. Talapalava, my name is Vila.
Maloni, my name is Ali.
Come along with us as we share our journey from the beginning of our heart to today.
Can't afford you, but still it pours up lavishly upon you. It makes His glory shine so bright upon you. I will be content, cause I know you would never fail me. Even when my knees are shaking, even when my heart is bleeding. Oh, valley, when I walk in the midst of the valley, my life's in the hands of my daddy. I'm already loved, I'm already chosen. Yeah. So for this life I know the goal, cause me, I know this all. Cause my joy and I my body. To man and Nico, you are. You're my provider. Yeah, you're my provider. You are. You're my provider. You're my provider. Yeah. I will be content in every circumstance. Yeah. Jehovah Jireh. You give me peace, you give me purpose, my provider. And when my enemies surround me, got me tied up. When they throw me in the pit inside the fire, you are my God and my King and my Father. Light to my path in the darkness, hope in my heart when they heartless. Father, you reach out and caught us. You're the lover of my soul, love is flawless. They don't understand my God is keeping me high, I know they go low. Cause me, I know they solo. Cause my joy and I my body. To man and Nico, you are. Provider, yeah, you're my provider. You are, you're my provider. You're my provider. Yeah. I will be content in every circumstance.
Overall, like Auntie's always said to us, this year's our pilot year. But just thinking about everything they've come to accomplish, all the opportunities that have come our way. Just very grateful, especially with the space and how it's turned out. But I know there are better and bigger things ahead of us. And like none of this, we wouldn't have been able to do what we've done so far, and even what we're, because we're dreaming, we're visioning what we can do in the future, in the near future. But put it all, we work together. So even though we're here as staff, but we work with our community, and that's the beauty of it all, I reckon. And that's how we've been able to do things. We support one another. A lot of the things that we've taken part of that's us supporting other kaupapa, other organisations and what they're doing. And it's building those relationships so that we can achieve some, like Vila said, better things, better opportunities for those that come through our door. Big shout out to everyone who supported us, to all our funders. Massive thank you to you all.
Shout out to our boss.
Yeah! Big thank you to you, boss. Just for everything, for always having our back and everything we do. For trusting us, especially with the decisions we make. You never once question us with anything. You pretty much always say, go with your gut feeling. And we do. And everything pretty much just works out at the end.
Thank you everyone for tuning in. Please watch this space. This is not the end, just the beginning. We have more to come next year. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Just much love to all our supporters out there.
Happy holidays, be safe, and we'll see you next year. Ngā Uri signing out.